If stock options sound confusing, intimidating, or risky, you're in the right place. This channel is called Valkyrie Simple Finance, and we explain stock options clearly, step by step, with no jargon and no hype.
If you're a complete beginner, that's not a problem here. In fact, it's exactly who this series is for. We start with what stock options actually are, not strategies, not trading tricks, just the core ideas you need to understand first.
We explain one idea at a time, using simple examples and clear visuals, so you always know what's happening, and why.
This is not a day trading channel. We don't promise quick profits, and we don't tell you what to buy or sell.
Our belief is simple: understanding always comes before investing. If you don't understand the risk, you shouldn't be using the product.
By the end of this series, you'll understand how options work, why people use them, and when they may, or may not, make sense for you.
If that sounds useful, subscribe, and start with episode 1, where we explain stock options from the ground up.
Welcome to Valkyrie Simple Finance.